Welcome to this tutorial video. Want to quickly add a wavy line in just a few minutes? I will show you a quick method to get it right on your first try. Let's get started. In the Design tool, click Advanced Tools in the left sidebar. Then select Material and Component. After entering Material and Component, click on the flooring and select Edit Paving in the pop-up floating window. After entering Edit Paving, select the flooring. Click. The whole wave is wired in the floating window. Select Direction in the pop-up window and then click Confirm. You can also click the Common Accessories tab on the left sidebar. Select Wavy Line at the top and then choose the desired style to place on the flooring. Select the wavy line, and in the left sidebar, you can set the borderline type and control as needed. In the Gap section, you can configure real gaps or false gaps and set the gap value. You can also set a custom color and material for the gaps. Select the corresponding option. Click the Replace button and choose the desired material from the pop-up panel to apply. In the Pattern section, you can modify the size, material of grey brie and large bay. If you want to adjust the width of the wavy line, you can directly input the value in the side brick width option under Parameters. You can also configure this in the width input box in the floating window. When you input values in the edge brick offset option, you'll notice that the position of the borderline changes in the image. If you have no idea about the wavy line styles, you can browse recommendations to select appropriate materials and apply them. You can adjust them further until achieving your ideal design effect. That's all. Thanks for watching.